Oh, thank you. Oh, yeah. Oh, me lucky. Me puppy long time. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Here you go. What's that? Yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, man. Dude, you gotta try this here, man. Yeah, any money, you rob. Yeah. What do you want? I don't want this stupid bubble wrap. Gosh. Tina, take the bubble wrap. Freaking idiots.
Hello, 911, can you state your emergency? Okay, so let me get this straight. Your son has about 50 foot of bubble wrap, and he hasn't eaten in about 24 hours because of his obsession with the bubble wrap. And every time you try to remove it from him, he throws a panic. Okay. Alright, the best thing I can suggest to you right now... Hold on one sec. Okay, the best thing I can suggest is to stay there and don't let him leave your sight. And we'll be there to confiscate the bubble wrap. Anytime. That's what we're here for. Okay.
Hey, wanna hear a secret? I do all my shopping online just so I can get the bubble wrap in the packages. Hey, hey, here, hey.
Are you guys serious right now? I give you 50 foot of bubble wrap, and this is what you leave me. Nothing. Not one single one to pop. It's plastic wrap now. It's worthless. Hi, YouTube viewers. Now, I know what you're thinking. You're thinking that you just dropped about 10 points on your IQ and wasted about 3 minutes of your life watching this video. But I just want to let you know that you did. Yes, you most absolutely did. You should probably go pick up a physics book to make yourself feel a little bit better and productive. But I just want to let you know. Thank you for watching, Mr. Bad Hair Guy.